Okay, cleaned up that 253 engine, motor, I should say. Gonna rewire it. Here's the first test. I say that's a success. Managed to get the plate back in without much trouble. Rewired. I cleaned up the body the best I could. Cleaned up the frame the best I could, which is not too bad. Now we do a little more rewiring. This directional changer unit, this is pretty much shot. These wires need to go. I marked the ground and positive. This is one of the lights, obviously fried. That's going to have to go. But I feel pretty good that I cleaned the motor, and the main problem was the power wire from this collector shoe was brittle and cracking all over the place from one end to the other, and I had to get this plate out, resolder a new wire to the middle of it, and then put the plate back in. And I did that. And I also had to replace the ground wire, which goes to the field right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Right in there. That's a wire. So both on the right hand side is the ground, and the left hand side is the power from the track. Cleaned up best I could. All right, part 2.